For many folks in the country, we're finally going to see a break from the extreme heat and humidity, especially in areas of the mid-Atlantic up into the Northeast. So a large portion of the summer, the southeastern part of the United States has been dominated by the heat dome. And all this is just a large area of high pressure. Many records have gone by the wayside, as you already know. When it comes to heat, we have to factor in the humidity, and depending on how close you are to a waterway or a large area of water, that makes a difference. So, especially if there's a large area or large body of water nearby. It takes more energy to heat or cool the water than what it does dry air. In fact, it takes about 4.2 times more energy to change the temperature of water than dry air, which means areas near water experience usually warmer overnight temperatures with higher humidity in many cases. For example, in Tampa just recently, they really saw the extreme heat, and what had happened is instead of a typical onshore breeze, the land breeze was really taking effect during the peak heating of the day, along with the urban island effect as well. So when the winds are more onshore, it means slightly less extreme temperatures, but unfortunately, on the flip side, this can really drive up the humidity levels. For instance, like a temperature of 94 degrees recently in Tampa with a dew point of 82 gives a feels like temperature of 118 degrees. So with that in mind, there's still several areas in the southeast that's going to be seeing some extreme heat and humidity, kind of typical. But I know we preach it all the time, but one of the best things you can do is always check on folks, especially if they don't have AC. Check on the elderly. Also, keep in mind about the pets. Remember, the asphalt heats up a lot quicker and is a lot hotter than the actual air temperature, so that's really bad for your pets and their paws especially. So take time in the shade and make sure to keep hydrated.